Hey, what's up guys? So we just saw the official launch of the DJI Mavic Air 2, the little brother to this guy and the big brother to this guy. So I know you're wondering, because I couldn't find it initially, when is this going to be available? Well, due to the coronavirus, it doesn't look like we'll be seeing this drone for probably another 2 weeks, just as I predicted in my previous video. So I don't get free drones from anyone, so all of my reviews are unbiased and based on my experience. So don't forget to like and subscribe, as I'm going to be doing a comparison between all the DJI drones and the Skydio 2 against the Mavic Air 2. Now, with all the leaked information confirmed by the official launch, it looks like the information was pretty much spot on, with the new Mavic Air 2 having a 1/2-inch sensor capable of taking 48 megapixel stills and 4K 60p video with 1080p 240p, lots of P's, capable of 8 times slow-mo, as well as 8K hyperlapse, 4K HDR video, a 10-kilometer 1080p transmission range via an improved Ocusync 2.0, and a new record for the Mavic, a 34-minute maximum flight time. There's also a ton of new automation, including Active Track 3.0, POI 3.0, Advanced Piloting Assistance Systems 3.0, APAS, Quick Shot, and Automatic Obstacle Avoidance. There's also going to be HEVC H.265 high efficiency video encoding, and also D-Cinelike flat color profile like the Mavic 2 has. Active Track 3.0 is DJI's best tracking technology to date, using both object recognition and obstacle avoidance. POI 3.0 allows tracking objects like cars, boats, and other moving objects. Spotlight 2.0 keeps your subject locked into the center of the frame. It also appears there are some limitations with the APAS 3.0 system and Focus Track, with them not being available in certain modes like 4K 60, 50, and 48p, as well as 1080p at 120 and 240 frames. We'll also confirm that the antennae are in fact part of the smartphone clamp, and you must ensure that they stay pointed towards the aircraft. After seeing all the release information on DJI's website and not being able to find the release date, I went over to Best Buy's website and I kept refreshing until I saw the Mavic Air 2 was available for order. And lo and behold, the arrival date shows May 11th. So that looks like our official release date in the US for retailers. If you purchase direct from DJI, I expect there will be those that get it before then and those that will end up getting it after. So if you want to pre-order, there's a link below in the description, and that helps support my channel. Expect to see some comparisons over the next few days between the Mavic Air 2, the Mavic Mini, the Mavic 2 Pro, the Skydio 2, the Mavic Air, the Phantom 4, and the Spark. I'm going to be comparing them all so I can help you guys decide, is this the right drone for me? Or maybe do you need to wait for the Mavic 3 Pro, which is probably going to be the next thing we'll see in the future. So that's it for now. Thanks guys. I'll see you next time.